Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your phone runs iOS 15 or Android 10, has at least 4 GB RAM, and a stable 5 Mbps or faster connection. This avoids lag. Sign into the App Store, Google Play, or your cloud gaming account now. Once done, open the Store app, search for the official listing or cloud streaming app, and be ready to purchase or link your game library. Don't skip account permissions. You proceed to the complex middle steps by choosing installation versus streaming. If a native mobile release is available, complete purchase, grant storage and controller permissions, and wait for download. If using Cloud Play, sign into your cloud app, link the platform that owns IamFish, and select the title from your library. Make sure your controller is paired or touch controls calibrated. Once linked, lower stream quality if latency spikes. This trades fidelity for smoother input. You complete the final setup and verify the experience. Launch IamFish, accept updates, and map controls. Play a short level to confirm responsiveness. If you encounter stutter, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, close background apps, or reboot your router and phone. This often fixes packet loss. If account or streaming login fails, reauthorize the linked platform, clear the cloud app cache, and reinstall as a last resort. One tip: test with a different network to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.